Hi, my name is Jim Tomasek, and this presentation is entitled How the Cloud Solution EverNote Improves Your Information Capturing Capabilities. The key features of EverNote start with the ability to store multiple forms of information. This includes web pages, audio, photos, documents, and text. Another key feature is the ability to sync that information across multiple devices. For example, across PCs, phones, laptops, and iPads. The search capabilities of EverNote are also an important feature. You can search by keyword, tag, text, and text within an image. In addition, EverNote allows you to share your information with friends and colleagues. EverNote is available on a wide range of platforms. For computers, it's available on Mac, Windows, and the browsers Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. For mobile devices, it's available on the Apple products, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows Phone, among others. EverNote is so successful because it allows you to capture anything, save your ideas, the things you like, things you hear, and things you see. It allows you to access anywhere. EverNote works with nearly every computer, phone, and mobile device out there. And it allows you to find things fast. You can search by keyword, tag, even printed and handwritten text inside images. Some of the ways to use EverNote are to keep your finances in order by saving bills and receipts. You can take snapshots of things to reduce paper clutter. You can track prices and do comparison shopping. You can gather information and documents you need for planning a trip. Maybe you want to organize and save recipes. You can create lists and check things off as you go. And you can use it to facilitate your research by snapping photos of whiteboards and taking notes and drafting agendas. In summary, EverNote is an easy-to-use, free app that helps you remember everything across all of the devices you use. You can stay organized, save your ideas, and improve your productivity. EverNote lets you take notes, capture photos, create to-do lists, record voice reminders, and it makes these notes completely searchable, whether you are at home, at work, or on the go. Let's take a look at how EverNote works on a Win 7 machine. First, I'll double-click the icon. This takes me to the home screen. From the home screen, you can create new notes and notebooks, as well as browse, organize, and search your EverNote account. The first pane is called the sidebar. This allows you to browse the contents of your account by notebooks, by tags, by attributes, or by saved searches. This pane is called the Note List. It displays all the notes in your EverNote account with the most recently updated notes shown first by default. This is also where search results are displayed. This pane is called the Note Editor. This is where you view and edit the note currently selected from the note list. By default, your most recently updated note will be displayed when you launch. This area up here is called the Account Action Toolbar. It has buttons Sync, which is a manual syncing of your accounts, Free, Activity, and Trunk, which lists some other services that run well with EverNote. This next section is the Note Action Toolbar with a New Note button and a Share button. Let's go into a little more detail about how things work. As you can see, this is your notebook area where you organize your notes. This note here with your username on it is the default notebook. If you don't select another notebook when you're adding a note, your note will go into this default notebook. There's also a category called All Notes, which will list all your notes in this area. Let's go back to food. As you can see, I've got one note in there. The notebook is called Food. It's a reference to a cookbook. It's dated, and it comes up in the editor window too, so I can change it or delete it, or whatever I want to do. If I want to create a new notebook, I'm going to right click the notebook right here. Click Create a Notebook. Give it a name. I'm going to leave it synchronized. Hit OK. And now pops a new notebook. And no notes were found. And now I'm going to go up to the New Note button. I can make a new text note, or a new ink note. It's a drawing tool. Or a new webcam note, or a new audio note. I'm going to make an audio note. Up pops the recorder. I'm going to hit record. To do two things at once is to do neither. Hit save. And now I have a new audio note under my quotes notebook. If I want to replay it. To do two things at once is to do neither. There you have it. Just a few more things about notes. Remember, an EverNote note can capture just about anything, including text, images, files, audio, web clippings, and more. All notes are searchable, making them easy to find when you need them. EverNote even searches for typed and handwritten text inside attached images. Here's a button right here to add a tag. Just about anything can be attached to a note too, including files, images, and audio. If you want to add an attachment, you can do one of the following. You can drag and drop the attachment into the body of your note, or you can use the attachment icons in the note editor over here. The paperclip is for attaching a file, and the microphone is for attaching an audio clip. There are many other features and add-ons to explore, but that's it for now.